Subaru Boxer engines feature a unique flat-four design where pistons move horizontally toward each other in two opposing banks. This layout provides excellent balance, low center of gravity, and smooth operation, making it ideal for Subaru's all-wheel drive vehicles. Despite their advantages, Boxer engines have reliability concerns. One major issue is excessive oil consumption, particularly in FA series engines like those in the WRX and Forester. This occurs due to piston ring wear, where the rings fail to seal properly, allowing oil to enter the combustion chamber and burn off. Another common problem is head gasket failures, especially in older EJ series models. The head gasket seals the cylinder heads and is prone to failure from thermal cycling. This leads to coolant leaks, overheating, and can cause expensive repairs if not addressed promptly. Turbocharged Boxer engines, like those in WRX STI models, can experience reliability problems including overheating and failures due to weak bearings. The intense heat from turbo operation accelerates wear, making regular maintenance crucial for these high-performance variants. Boxer engines can last 150,000 to 200,000 miles with proper care, but they tend to have higher repair rates than some competitors. Regular maintenance is key. Change oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, perform coolant flushes, and avoid prolonged high RPM driving. Newer models show improvements through redesigned components and software updates. Hybrid integration aims to reduce engine strain and improve reliability. Always monitor oil levels and address any unusual engine behavior promptly to prevent costly repairs.